Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another job lead video. We will keep this one really quick, short, and to the point. Waypoint Global is a document management company that provides document management solutions, and they are hiring a personal assistant. So this is a part-time position, and pay is anywhere from $38 to $45 an hour. It says that they're looking for a responsible personal assistant to provide personalized secretarial and administrative support in a well-organized and timely manner. You will work on a one-on-one basis on a variety of tasks related to managers' working life and communications. So some of the responsibilities are to act as the point of contact between the manager and internal and external clients, screen and direct phone calls and distribute correspondence, handle requests and queries appropriately, manage diary and schedule meetings and appointments, make travel arrangements, take dictation and minutes, source office supplies, produce reports and presentations, and devise and maintain office filing system. Now, some of the skills required for this are that you have a proven work experience as a personal assistant, you have knowledge of office management systems and procedures, as well as Microsoft Office, and you have English proficiency, outstanding organizational and time management skills, up to date on the latest office gadgets and applications, and the ability to multitask and prioritize daily workloads. Also, you need excellent verbal and written communication skills, and a high school degree is required. It says they will give an advantage to anyone that has a PA diploma or certification, but that is not required. As far as the benefits go, they offer the standard paid time off, 401k plan, and health insurance. They do offer bonus pay, commission pay, and a signing bonus. And down here it says high school or equivalent preferred. So I do think that they will require the high school diploma, but not any higher education. The work location on this one is just listed as remote. It doesn't say if they hire worldwide or not, but since they say that you need to be proficient in English, I am assuming it is possible that they may, as long as you are proficient in English. So you might want to apply and give this one a shot. I'm sorry that I don't know for sure if they hire worldwide or not, but it is not listed. All right, we are keeping this one quick today. I just wanted to quickly share since I come across this in hopes that maybe someone looking for part-time work can get a few extra hours in at a decent pay rate. As always, if you have anything that you are looking for specifically, leave them in the comments below. I am always keeping my eye out for new job leads. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.